Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix the Modern Warfare 3 crashing on your PC. First right click on your taskbar and open up your task manager, and here you just need to disable or close all the background application. Then go to the startups, and here you just need to disable all the application, because when you start your PC this application will start automatically without your permission and cause a lot of CPU usage, RAM usage without your permission, so you just need to disable it. And after that just go to the Windows tab, hit the settings and open it, go to the privacy settings, and on the left hand side just scroll down and click on the background apps. And here guys you just need to turn it off. If these applications are on, these applications will consume a lot of the RAM, lot of the CPU usage, so you just need to turn it off. And then you can go to the Windows tab at the View Advanced System Settings, and under the Advanced you can click on the settings, go to the Advanced tab, and now here in the virtual memory click on the change, and now we are going to increase our RAM or the virtual memory, which will fix our problem. So you just need to uncheck the automatically and then go to the Windows tab with the calculator and open it. And now select your local disk C and click on the custom size. And guys, if you have the 8 GB of RAM, then you can multiply it with the constant value, which is the 1024, and just type this value in the initial size. Then you can multiply this value with the 3, and then you can just type this value in the maximum size. And if you have the 16 GB of RAM, then you can just multiply this value, which is the 1024, then you can type in the initial size and just multiply with the 3, then you can just type in the maximum size. After that just click on the set, then just click on the OK, then just click on the OK again. And now guys our RAM is increased. Then you can go to the Windows set, type here the graphic settings and simply open it. And now here you will see the option of the browse. So here you can just simply click on the Modern Warfare 3 game and just click on the browse option if you want to add it. And here you can go to the folder of the Modern Warfare 3 and then just select the Modern Warfare 3 launcher and just add it. Then click on the option here, you can select it to the high performance, so it will use all power of our graphic card. After that then you can open up the Steam, go to your Steam library, click on the Modern Warfare 3 game, click on the gear icon, go to your game properties, go to the install files, then click on the verify integrity of game files. It will fix our any corrupted files in our game. Then you also need to make sure that your game is updated. Then click on the Modern Warfare 3 game, go to your game properties, go to the install files and click on the browse option you are seeing on the first. And guys, here you will see the Modern Warfare 3 launcher. So you can right click on the launcher, go to the properties, go to the compatibility tab. And now guys, from here you just need to check this box of the compatibility mode and choose there the Windows 8, and also check these boxes, run as admin and disable full screen optimization. Guys, these are the very important settings. Then just simply apply this and then click on the OK. After that guys, just go back and then go to the Windows tab at the update and just open it. Now you can check if your system is updated or not, because the unupdated system will also causes the issues like this, which is the freezing or the crashing. Then you also need to make sure that your graphic card is updated. Open up your device manager, open up the display adapters, and you will see your graphic card simply updated. If you have the NVIDIA or AMD graphic card, then you can simply open up the softwares of this graphic card and just simply update it. And this is how you can fix the crashing issue in the Modern Warfare 3 game. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video, because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.